This is the Bosch PR20 EVS Colt Variable Speed Router. This handy router gives you routing power and precision in the palm of your hand. Its maximum 1 horsepower and 5.6 amp rated motor deliver up to 35,000 revolutions per minute, making it great for remodelers, countertop and laminate fabricators, general carpenters, woodworkers, and others. With the variable speed dial, you can match the speed to your workpiece and routing task at hand. The soft start feature reduces startup torque, and the constant response circuitry monitors and maintains optimum RPM under load for consistent performance. The motor releases from the base using this quick clamp system, which requires no tools. The sliding depth adjustment system and microfine depth adjustment dial make setting the exact depth easier than ever. This is the only ergonomic router in its class. A contoured grip area featuring soft grip and finger support pockets allow for maximum comfort and stability. The large opening in the subbase allows for you to use bits up to 1 9/16 inch in diameter. So this router is great for edge forming bits such as roundover bits. So this is it, the Bosch PR20 EVS Colt Variable Speed Palm Router. For more information on this tool, see this page, and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch power tools.
Equip your WorkSharp knife and tool sharpener, Ken Onion Edition, with attachments to expand your sharpening capabilities. The blade grinding attachment allows greater freedom in sharpening and blade customization. You will be able to sharpen a blade at any angle between 10 to 35 degrees. Changing the pulley distance setting will affect the grind profile. The 4 belts included are long-lasting and offer a wide grit array. Each belt is 1 by 18 inches, larger than the standard belts for the Ken Onion Edition. To begin sharpening, install the attachment onto the power platform. Install the proper belt and prepare the tool for the task at hand. Power the machine at the recommended speed and press the lockout switch. To sharpen, place the spine of the blade onto the reference blade. Maintain the horizontal angle and set the blade edge onto the abrasive between the upper pulleys. Move the blade across the abrasive at 1 inch per second. Stop with the tip on the middle of the belt. Sharpen the same side until a burr is raised along the entire cutting edge. Then repeat the same number of strokes on the other side. Progress up the grit scale until the desired sharpness is achieved. For more information, visit WorkSharpTools.com.
When you need to make mortises, whether for joinery, lock sets, or hinges, the MHL accessory for your CRB7 router base lets you make them quickly, easily, and accurately. The MHL attaches to the base of the CRB7 rapidly, using just a couple of provided screws. The fixed jaw of the MHL mounts to the CRB7 base in pretty much the same way. Both can be attached to different locations on the CRB7 base, allowing the MHL to be adjusted from the width of your bit all the way up to 7 inches wide. A thumb wheel controls the final position of the movable jaw, allowing the MHL to be accurately set to the stock being worked. Both jaws feature a sight line, which allow for marking the limits of the mortise out from underneath the base of the CRB7, where you can see it. or use a set of clamps to positively stop the jaws on each end of the cut. The long jaws increase the surface contact with your stock, giving excellent control, and have threaded inserts for fitting auxiliary faces when needed. These auxiliary faces are used when working the edge of a panel, or to provide additional support when working with thin parts.